welcome back to Kay's Kitchen. Today we'll be making mini Boston cream pies. So for our ingredients, we're going to have yellow cake mix, unsalted butter, 2 eggs, your milk, heavy whipping cream, vanilla pudding, and then chocolate chips and some more heavy cream. Alright, first thing to do is put your stove on 350. And now we can start baking. Alright, so first we're going to add in our cake mix. We're going to mix all of it. And then we're going to add in our 2 eggs. Alright, second egg. And then we're going to add in our butter. Now this is unsalted butter. Okay, now we're going to mix it until it is fully mixed.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, now that your cake mix is all mixed, you want to make sure your pan is oiled very good so it doesn't stick. You can do cupcakes, you can do a cake, but in this video we're going to do mini cupcakes. So now we're going to put a little bit in each bowl. You don't want to fill it too high, you want to fill it about 3/4. And we're going to fill all of these with the cake batter. Alright guys, now our cupcakes are done and we're going to push in the middles of them. Now if you don't have a circular spoon, then just find something circular like this. And then we're going to push the middles in. You want to push them down, just make sure there's still room for like the pudding on the inside. So we're going to push it down. You want to do this while it's hot. There we go. Make it in. And we're going to do these with all of them. Alright guys, now we're going to let our cupcakes cool after we press them in. We're going to make our filling, which is your vanilla pudding and your heavy cream and milk. Here's your heavy cream and the milk. And you're gonna mix this. You can use a whisk or a spatula until it's thick like pudding. Alright guys, once you have your pudding mixture all done, you're going to add your chocolate chips and then your heavy cream. Now this is going to be the top, and so we're going to put it in the microwave for about 20-second increments until it's fully melted. So this is our first one. I'm going to put it in for 15 seconds. Once that's done, if it's still not melted, then we'll put it in for another 15. Alright guys, this is our chocolate and heavy whipping cream mixed together. Alright, now we're going to start decorating our cooled off cookie cups. First we're going to put our frosting or pudding mixture in the middle of these. You can put as much as you want. Just fill it up. Alright, now we're going to put just a little dab of this chocolate on the tops of them. Just like that. Gives it that chocolate flavor. Alright guys, that is our mini Boston cream cups. Alright, the ingredients will be down below in the description. And if you want to follow me on my social medias, they are at the bottom. Alright, thank you for watching.